This deck was in rough shape, rotting wood, peeling stain, and years of water damage. We started by pressure washing the surface to clear away any mildew, but that just revealed more hidden damage underneath. Several boards were completely rotted through, so we carefully removed them, cut new boards to fit. Every compromised board was replaced to restore the structure's strength and safety. Then we sealed it with a fresh coat of stain. This wasn't just a cosmetic job, it was a full deck rescue.